Kaya sabi, are you busy? Just pray the Our Father. All our needs are in that prayer, the Our Father. Kaya mamaya, nanamnamin na yan. This is our Father in heaven. Will give and satisfy our needs. Lead us to progress. God wants all of us to grow and to have progress. Kaya nga, unlad. Tignan nyo nga yung katabi nyo, umunlad na ba? Sabihin mo, uunlad ka pa. And what is unlad? Unahin natin lagi ang Diyos. Pag inunan natin ng Diyos, in Matthew 6 verse 33, seek ye first God's kingdom and His righteousness, and everything will be added unto us.